job.
Is there another color?
That's so cool. Let's go. Motor Machines build 20 plus STEM projects. We were sent this to review from Butterfly Edufield, so let's do it. It says it's for ages 5 to 10. See if they can do it. Can they even open the box?
No.
Woo! Wow, look at that. Oh.
Okay,
Oh, look at this stuff. Oh my gosh. Wow, wires and motor machines.
I'm good with wires.
Lots of stuff here, lots of stuff. You want to start looking at the book?
Spin art.
Oh my gosh. Look at all the stuff it comes with.
I really want to do spin art.
Spin art? Here's all the stuff that it comes with. And then here you have a quick view of the 20 plus STEM projects you can do with it, and then a really detailed booklet you can look through. What's the first project?
Let's make some waves.
Let's make some waves, project 23. Each project shows you exactly which parts you need and then gives you a step-by-step instruction. Makes it pretty easy.
Rocker switch, motor, battery holder.
I'm not gonna help at all. I wanna see if you guys could figure this all out yourselves. Camp STEM has commenced.
Oh, I got this. Oh, I did it.
Yep, 2 AA batteries. Like the only thing it doesn't come with here.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, God! You didn't have the bead properly tied. That's okay, one troubleshooting at a time. This is all part of science.
2, 1.
Oh,
Let
wait.
go.
Ah!
Why do it?
We need to learn how to tie better. 3, 2,
1.
That's not. Oh, go a little close. Oh.
Oh.
Oh! Should we try another one?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanted to do the spin art? Ooh, let's do the spin art. Find all your pieces. Motor,
This.
battery, white card, magnets. Yeah.
And we need another one.
Uh-huh, another sticker, and then stick this on top.
Connect this, that, there.
Woo! It's spinning! Wait, whoa! That's so cool! That's so cool!
Look, I think this is like less.
Oh, slow and fast. Oh, yeah. Don't, oh, let's
I want to go a little slower. Yeah, it is slow. This is hard. It vibrates.
That is so cool. Good job.
Is there another color? You can mix colors to make other colors. Oh, Mia.
Really?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, this is really cool.
Can I do it? This is a W for a win.
Mm-hmm. He made a, what, a tornado maker? Let's go. Whoa! That's so cool. And then, what happens when you take it out? And it keeps going. Oh, so neato. That is so cool. This one is called Earth is Spheroid. Let's go. Ooh. So this is the shape of the Earth. So fun. Some of these are just literally within a couple minutes. You have your new thing built. Are you loving it? Yeah.
And the motors aren't so strong that it'll like hurt you if you accidentally put your finger.
True. It's just 2 AA batteries.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's hover. Ooh. Whoa.
It's working!
That's so cool. This is so fun for boys and girls. So many projects you can do in here. This is great for summer activities all year round, for school, for home. Love it. Do you guys love it?
Yeah.
We're gonna keep working on these.